Alright, my name's Adam and I'm a member of the digital team here at WentworthWoodhouse. Now I have many favourite places in this place, but my absolute top favourite place is actually here where we are now, in the studio and next door in the hub. It's basically the home base of the digital team where we plan, we talk about, we shoot and we edit a lot of the videos that you can see on the Wentworth Woodhouse YouTube channel. Since I first started my journey at Wentworth Woodhouse in 2022 on the creative producer traineeship, I've made a lot of memories in these two rooms. For someone who is a filmmaker like myself, when me and my brother first entered the studio, we got really excited about all the kit that was at our disposal. And we made it our mission to make use of everything we have down here. And we have, from studio shows to interview pieces, live music videos to films, and everything in between. My time at Wentworth Woodhouse has been spent a lot with this kit and I wouldn't change it for the world. On the opposite side of the door though, we have the hub, which tends to be where a lot of the editing happens, but most importantly, it's where the fun happens and often where a lot of the laughter comes from. It's also where my two favourite people, Steve and Andy, tend to be, who have not only become great friends, but have also helped me develop both creatively and confidently into the person that I am now.